I'm going to show you an information that will help you save a lot of money. So a lot of people know how to make money on the blockchain, but don't know how they can protect their cryptocurrency wallets from hackers, from a third-party permission. So today I'm going to show you how you can safeguard against it, make as much money as you want to make in crypto space, and make sure that you don't lose all this money overnight. Okay, so you're welcome to this CryptoNiche channel. Basically what I teach in this channel is how you can make money using cryptocurrency and the blockchain, as a means of getting yourself the freedom, something that's called the financial freedom on the internet. Okay, so if you check this channel out, you're going to be seeing tons of videos on how to make money with trading robots, how to claim airdrops, bounty, what you can do to make money as a content writer, and so on in this channel. So if you're interested in stuff like this and you want to make a small money for yourself in this year, so do well to subscribe on this channel. And also under this video, please, if you like it, give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, please a thumbs up. And if you have any comments as to reason why you like it or not, please leave a comment down below in this video. You can ask me any question in the comment section. I'm going to answer them accordingly. So let's go to this real quick, and you're going to be surprised. Okay, and I want you to do all this as soon as you watch the video. Please, I want you to act right now, because I have a couple of cryptocurrency community on Telegram and also on WhatsApp, and I've been seeing people complaining about hacks. People have lost, thousands of dollars. People have lost hundreds of dollars on the Binance Smart Chain because they have given undue permission to a third party that eventually use that advantage, to siphon all their money, before they could even save Jack Robinson. So now there is a tool, there is a powerful tool on the Binance ecosystem that you can use to track all the addresses that you've given undue permission, and those addresses that have unlimited permission. Any address that have unlimited permission can eventually steal your money away from you. So I'm going to give you this link down below in the video description, so you don't really need to memorize this URL, which is allowance.bifi.finance. Okay, then /. That is the URL. But nevertheless, I'm going to drop the instruction in the description box, and also I'm going to give you all the necessary links that you need to get this done. So please follow me and pay attention. If you're doing anything now, please drop anything you're doing. If your friend is distracting you on Facebook or Instagram is distracting you at the moment, please, I need you to pay full attention and get these things done once and for all. Okay, so it's about saving you stress, it's about saving your future, it's about saving your money, so that you don't wake up one day and begins to say that the blockchain is not secure. If the blockchain is not secure, then I don't know why we are still here. Okay, so blockchain is very much secure. The only problem is the permission that you've given out and you don't know, and that is where we are here. We want to revoke that permission right now. So it's going to load this page. This is one of my wallet addresses, so I'm going to switch this from the Ethereum network. I'm going to switch this to Smart Chain, which is the Binance network. So it will load the page, and you'll be seeing, oh my god, can you see? And you'll be seeing a couple of addresses that I've given unlimited access to. Okay, several of them, I think there are about 10 of them that I need to revoke. Okay, if you look at this, the first one have a limited access. It means that you don't have any code in their smart contract that can enable spend function. If they have a spend function, it means that these guys, all of these guys, like I think about 10 of them, if not more, but 10 of them, they have the permission to withdraw from my wallet, okay, without asking me for it. So these are things that people are doing wrong, and they will go online to say that because they participated in a particular airdrop and they got asked through the the airdrop bot on Telegram or airdrop bot on Discord. No, it's not true. You're not getting hacked because you are doing airdrop. Okay, you are not getting hacked because you are participating in the bounty. Nobody can hack your wallet through your public chain. Okay, nobody can hack your wallet through your public chain. They can only do so if they have access maybe to your private keys. Okay, and I don't even know about this before now until I made research on it. Okay, so and someone was magnificent enough to share this information with me on Telegram. Okay, so now we will now begin. Use this link. It is right there in the description box. So use this link, for God's sake, to check if you've given undue permission to any wallet address or any contract address in the past. Okay, and begin to it's not about creating multiple wallets. It's not about creating multiple wallets, like creating a special wallet for airdrops, creating another wallet for other private needs. It's about you being careful with who you give permissions to have access to your wallet. Okay, so that's really important. Now I'm going to try and revoke one of these, but before you revoke one of these, you need to be sure that the addresses that you want to revoke. For instance, now I'm going to click on this number one. That's the first one I have unlimited access to my wallet address. It happens to be a Jude token smart contract, so I don't want to revoke that. It's still to a large extent it is trustworthy. I still have some level of trust for that wallet, though it has unlimited access to my wallet. Okay, so now I'm going to check out these ones too. So anyone that has to do with maybe airdrop, or self-drop, you have the liberty to remove this, to remove all of them. So this is token tracker. Okay, I don't know how I gave permission to the token tracker to have this kind of access to my wallet. So now I'm going to go there and revoke it. Okay, I'm going to go there and revoke it. I don't want that kind of access. I'm going to revoke. So it's going to cost me about 10 to 12 cents to do that. Even if it costs me 20 cents, I don't mind. Even if it costs me dollars, I don't mind, because I need to revoke all of these permission, all of these access. I need to revoke them. Okay, so once that transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, then it's going to be revoked. Okay, it's going to be revoked. So I'm going to move on to the next one, which is the third one, and check if it is trustworthy. It is also pegged token BUSD. Okay, so I'm going to revoke that also. So I'm going to revoke that. So also, okay, revoke. So I need to be sure. Again. I need to be sure. OX63 is X Finance. I want to revoke that, though it is not an airdrop. I want to revoke it. Okay, sorry about that. Let me page this again. So really, that is really how to revoke unnecessary access to your wallet. So no, this is going to cost me a lot of. So I'm going to switch to smart chain. So I'm going to switch to smart chain. When I go to smart chain OX, okay, 6306. I'm going to revoke it right there. As in, I'm going to revoke it right now. Revoked. So we want to do this for as many wallets as possible. Okay, as many smart contract addresses as possible to keep your account safe. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop it in the comment box. Okay, so I'm going to answer them as fast as possible. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, so that more people will get to see it, more people will get to watch it, and we're going to save more people from losing their money on the blockchain. Okay, also you can do a huge amount of favor for me and share this video within your network, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, on Discord, anywhere. Just try and share this video also with them so that you can be able to save them. Thank you very much. See you in the next video where I'm going to be talking about how you can trade futures market using a sophisticated trading software. See you. Bye for now.